If you want to go ahead and get some scholarly resources, then you can utilize DeepSeek for that as well. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say, give me 5 book references or scholarly references. So I'm just going to say, give me 5 scholarly book references related to using loops in programming language right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and do this, and I'm going to say give them to me in MLA format, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and send this out right here, then what happens is that it'll go ahead and search around its database that it has so far, and then will give me the scholarly resources for it. So it says here are 5 scholarly references to using loops in programming languages formatted in MLA style. So you can see that this is what you have. So Common Thomas is here. There's side like computer science, interdisciplinary approach, and so forth, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and get scholarly resources for some content as you like by using DeepSeek. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.